15 minutes later.
Sarasota Park. There's something there somewhere here. And look at the moon garden. Look at that, so beautiful, and it's very relaxing place. Thing is running everywhere. Let me get you a tour. Look at that, oh, so cute. Yeah, I think I'm so close. We get far away. Someone doing a birthday party today. One of Jane's friend doing party here. So, oh, look at it, guys. I don't know what do we call this one. Yeah, I don't know what do we call this. Yeah, there's a lot of bamboos here. Yeah, and big trees. It's about 1 hour from our place. We are here at Sarasota, so we drove from Riverview to Sarasota. And there's a sailor there. It's a boat. Yeah, let me give you a quick tour. I have this also, guys, at home inside my house. Oh, I thought it's a snake. They have a swing here also. Monster Garden, they call here around this place is Monster Garden. And yeah, it's so beautiful, so that the kids can play here. And look at that. And James, hi James, where are you, honey? Yeah, James over there. And look at what they like this. Wow. Yeah. And look at that. That's a spider. And that one, I don't know what do we call that. So the party somewhere there. Yeah. People somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there. You can sit down somewhere there also. And look at this, guys. Look at that. Yeah, you can play there. Look at James is climbing there. And what do we call that, sweetie? That one? Oh, it's an octopus. I don't even know what do we call that. Thank you, Ata. Esther doesn't want to be on the video, so fairy garden, this place, there's a lot of mushroom. We call it fairy garden. Yeah, it's very relaxing place, guys. Very, it's not hot in here. Yeah, and there's a big mushroom somewhere here. Yeah, and let's move somewhere. They said it's a fairy workshop here and fairy wheelbarrow parking. Yeah, look at that. They made this for kids, guys. So people doing it. There's a lot more there. Oh, look at that. There's a lot. So they made this for kids. I think this is my second time up here. And look at that. This is snow. Look at that. They made it something like that. Yeah. There's the flowers here also. Yeah. Okay. And look at this big octopus. Okay. Okay, good day, Jim. Jim is going to slide. Yeah, they have a lot of toys here also. They made for. Oh, that's for James. He's going to slide. You will see he come out from. Oh, good job, honey. Hold, stay there. Okay. Thank you, honey. Yeah.
This is sail.
Yeah. So do you like this place, James? Careful your eyes, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. They painted green. Look at that. So beautiful. And the spider.
Spider, whoa!
Be careful, baby. Careful. Yeah. It's look at the big trees there. Yeah. Look at that. Trees is everywhere here. That's why it's not hot. And look at this, guys. I think this is made of butterfly. Look at the wings. The wings. Look at them. I don't know the name. James, what's the name of this one, James? Oh. Everyone doesn't know what that's for. Oh. And they have a big boat there. And James inside. Are you a sailor, honey?
I'm a pirate.
Ah, you are a pirate? And the color is black. It's a big one. Yeah. Look at that. It's a big one. They have a water here also. Yeah, that's a huge big bamboo. Yeah. You see that, guys? So cute. They call it the Pirate Queen. Yeah, someone in the top. Oh no, no, James, James, don't do that again. Okay? No, I don't want you to do it, James. And then let's give you a quick tour somewhere also. Yeah. Somewhere here. Underwater there. So relaxing. And James is everywhere here. Look at the bamboo. And that's the birdie boy. Say hi, Oni.
Hey, hi.
That's the birdie boy. And yeah, they have more stuff in here. Yeah, where is the kids can play. Para tong tangkala ng baboy. Yeah. Hi, James.
Hi, Mom.
James is hiding somewhere there. Tao po. Hala, ay mumu dia dong.
I want to go over here.
Yeah, and James also go over there. It's a cute house.
Whoa.
And look at the bamboo, guys. There's a balcony there.
Over here.
Okay. Look at the big trees somewhere there. Yeah, look at that. And big trees, bamboo. It's so cute. And the party area somewhere there. Yeah. So